Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best crosscut sled is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any woodworker's arsenal, transforming the way you approach repetitive cuts with unparalleled precision and safety. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to streamline your workflow or a hobbyist aiming for cleaner, more accurate results on your table saw, understanding the nuances of a high-quality crosscut sled can dramatically elevate the quality of your projects and the efficiency of your shop. This isn't just about making straight lines, it's about achieving repeatable accuracy that saves you time, reduces material waste, and ultimately, makes your woodworking experience far more enjoyable and productive. Number 5. Infinity Cutting Tools Pro Crosscut Sled. Introducing the Infinity Cutting Tools Professional Crosscut Sled. It's designed for precision and versatility in your workshop. This sled allows you to work efficiently on both sides of your blade, offering greater flexibility for your cuts. It features replaceable zero-clearance plates for cleaner cuts and improved accuracy. This ensures a perfect finish every time. The zero-play miter bar, equipped with spring-loaded ball detents, provides a stable and precise connection to your miter slot. With an easy-to-place and use flip stop, you can quickly set repeatable lengths for your cuts. This makes repetitive tasks a breeze. A heavy-duty toggle clamp hold down securely fastens your workpiece, ensuring safety and accuracy during operation. What we like. This sled offers incredible versatility, allowing you to work on both sides of your blade with ease. Its replaceable zero-clearance plates ensure clean cuts every time. If you're looking for a sled that provides maximum flexibility and precision for a wide range of tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. The fence is adjustable and locks securely, ensuring accurate cuts every time. The sled glides smoothly on the table saw's miter track, providing stability and control. It includes multiple zero-clearance inserts, which help prevent tear-out on delicate materials. Number 4. SpeTool Xpert Router Sled. Introducing the SpeTool Xpert Router Sled, designed to flatten large slabs with unparalleled precision. Achieve perfectly flat surfaces with ease, even on the most challenging projects. Experience ultra-precise depth control with its continuous height adjustment. Mill large projects with flawless accuracy in a single setup, thanks to its easy micro-adjustment system. Get started in minutes with its 85% pre-assembled modular design. This router flattening jig is designed for quick and simple setup, so you can focus on your woodworking. Breathe easier with its efficient dust collection system. It captures over 90% of shavings and dust, keeping your workspace clean and safe. This sled is designed to work with most popular router models. It features a pre-drilled plate and an option for DIY customization, ensuring broad compatibility. Constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, it ensures exceptional stability and precision. The design minimizes wear and tear, guaranteeing long-lasting performance. What we like. This router sled is a beast for flattening large slabs, handling impressive widths and unlimited lengths. Its continuous height adjustment ensures ultra-precise milling in a single setup. If you're a woodworker dealing with large, uneven slabs and need a tool that guarantees a perfectly flat surface with minimal effort and excellent dust control, this is your ideal solution. What people say. The fence is adjustable and locks securely, ensuring accurate cuts every time. The sled glides smoothly on the table saw's miter slots, providing stability and control. It includes a zero-clearance insert that helps prevent tear-out on delicate materials. Number 3. Fulton DIY 19 Crosscut Sled Kit. Build a custom crosscut station tailored to your table saw. This kit enhances accuracy and efficiency for all your woodworking projects, ensuring precise and repeatable cuts every time. Experience smooth operation with our included UHMW runners. They reduce friction for consistent results, unlike traditional wooden runners that can bind. Our full-color guide makes assembly straightforward for everyone. Follow step-by-step instructions to easily create your own custom crosscut sled. Crafted with durable, USA-made aluminum tracks, this kit offers superior strength and precision. It also includes a knob and bolt for creating a reliable stop block. This comprehensive kit provides everything necessary for your project. It includes UHMW bars, mini tracks, a knob, a bolt, and a detailed building guide. What we like. This kit empowers you to build a custom crosscut station tailored to your specific table saw. It features smooth UHMW runners for effortless gliding and durable USA-made aluminum tracks. If you enjoy the process of building your own tools and want a highly accurate, repeatable crosscut solution that perfectly fits your setup, this DIY kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The Crosscut Sled is a game-changer for making accurate crosscuts on the table saw. It features a robust design with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and stability. The adjustable fence allows for precise angle settings, making it versatile for various cuts. Number 2. Rockwell RW9266 BladeRunner X2 Crosscut Sled. Achieve perfectly straight cuts every time with this essential woodworking tool. It's designed for precision in all your cross-cutting tasks. A clearly marked cutting groove makes alignment a breeze. Simply line up your mark and get a perfect cut. Keep your hands safely away from the blade during operation. This sled provides ample room for secure handling. Ensure your projects have clean, square edges. It consistently helps produce accurate 90-degree cross cuts. This is the ideal tool for anyone needing accurate cross cuts. Experience the ease and precision it offers. What we like. This crosscut sled is designed for achieving perfect 90-degree crosscuts with ease. Its cutting groove simplifies alignment, and it offers a safe space for your hands during operation. If your priority is making quick, accurate, and safe 90-degree cuts on your table saw, this sled will reliably meet your needs. What people say. The sled is easy to assemble and adjust. It provides accurate cuts and is very stable. The design allows for smooth operation and precise results. Number 1. POWERTEC 71403 Table Saw Crosscut Sled. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for precise woodworking. It comes with MDF components, an aluminum fence, a miter bar, a flip stop, a clamp, and all necessary hardware and instructions. Achieve mistake-free setups with its easy-to-read graduations and adjustable stop. This is the ideal accessory for accurate crosscuts on your table saw projects. Experience cleaner edges and reduced tear-out with its custom-fit base. It's designed to deliver accurate results every time by matching your saw and blade. Work with confidence thanks to its large base that supports your workpiece. The flip stop and clamp keep your stock steady, keeping your hands safe and reducing kickback risk. Enjoy seamless movement across your saw surface. It features wear-resistant, low-friction tape for effortless operation. Get repeatable results with its large melamine-coated surface and accurate scale. This tool is perfect for contractor-grade saws, offering professional accuracy. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit that provides everything you need for precise crosscuts, including a zero-clearance base for cleaner edges. It's built for smooth sliding action on your table saw surface. If you're looking for a robust, all-in-one solution that ensures accurate, repeatable cuts and minimizes tear-out, especially on larger contractor-grade table saws, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The sled is very sturdy and well-built, making it a great addition to my workshop. I appreciate the precision of the cuts this sled produces. It's perfect for making accurate joinery. The design is intuitive and easy to use, even for a beginner like me. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.